Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who've subscribed, thank you. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So today we are going to make a black forest cake. And with me here, I have egg whites. Those are 8 egg whites. I have egg yolk, 8 egg yolks. I separated them. I have flour, 250 grams flour. And then I have sugar, 250 grams sugar. I have my baking powder. I have the flavor or essence. And I have my chocolate powder, which I'm going to mix with the dry ingredients. The egg white has doubled in size or tripled in size. Now I'm going to add my sugar onto my egg white. And make sure you've beaten the egg whites very well until it can't pour out, as you can see. So the next step, I'll add the sugar and mix with the egg whites. Done. I'll add my egg yolk. I'll put this aside and now mix my dry ingredients. And by dry ingredients, I mean my flour, my chocolate powder, and my baking 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And chocolate powder, this is not the normal chocolate powder. This is alkalized, or it's made specifically for black forest cakes. I'll add 4 teaspoons of dark chocolate. I'll now mix it with this. Now I'll mix in small portions and fold in my flour.